Welcome to Global Coaching Lab. In fact, I would love to take this opportunity to walk you through what exactly we could offer to you. GCL was founded on the premise that every person has got tremendous potential, and we would love to work with you to go ahead and tap into that potential. Sometimes we go ahead and say, unleash your heroes, confront your true potential. When we think about our engagements, it's tied into our name itself, Global Coaching Lab. So coaching forms the backbone for everything that we do. We believe coaching could be transformational for individuals and teams so that organizations can get differentiated results. So one aspect of coaching is all about individual executive coaching to group coaching to coaching along with critical stakeholders. The second aspect of what we do focuses on leadership development. And in fact, we call it global leadership development. Global not from the international perspective, global from the perspective of building out how you think richly and deeply about some of the issues and aspirations that you have confronting your leadership. The third aspect of what we do at GCL focuses on teams. How do we build groups to become better teams? And how do we ensure that we unleash team effectiveness, possibly even looking at cultural integration? The fourth element that comes deep from within our hearts is about women empowerment. It's our belief that women are as capable, if not more capable than men, and they should find their right place at the leadership levels. So when everybody in the world is talking about 30% women representation in boards by 2030, we would love to be part of that journey for you. We would love to go ahead and empower women, more women into leadership. The last aspect of what we do in GCL focuses on communication effectiveness. It is not how much we know, it is how well we articulate. It is the quality of our articulation that gives or provides distinction and differentiation. So the sum total of looking at executive coaching, leadership development, team effectiveness, women empowerment, and communication intelligence is what we could go ahead and bring to bear as you think about transforming your people and your organization to get closer to its vision.